Alright, so welcome to SouFLoTV, everybody. And I already know who it is. It's your host with the most. This is a follow-up on me I did today, scene, and the follow-up today is on FLIPPA Mafia. Everybody know FLIPPA, right? FLIPPA changed the name from Mafia to FLIPPA Magella. Everybody knows that FLIPPA get caught up in some drug thing in a foreign, and everybody knows that FLIPPA was fighting the case and everybody was waiting on the outcome. Check the channel SouFLoTV for the previous video to this, and I told you I would give you the outcome, or I would be one of the first ones to come up and say and expound upon it a little bit. So I'm going directly off of a US government site. Okay, I'm gonna just show you what it look like, for show you where I read from, and then I'm gonna flip the camera back around to myself. See it here? See it? Jamaican recording artist convicted at trial for his role in drug ring that used US mail to ship cocaine from California to New Jersey. See FLIPPA there? The man looks stressed out. See girl there with him? His real name is Andrew Davis. Alright? Alright, with that said, I read directly from the site to you now. Alright? And we're gonna keep it short. First we're gonna say this. We lose Jacob Pre tragically. We lose FLIPPA. The funny thing I don't like about this is how them say the dancehall superstar, FLIPPA Mafia. Honestly, FLIPPA was not no superstar in dancehall. FLIPPA was a youth who did a try bust in a dancehall and basically did a PM way for bust. Because if I wasn't for the whole heap of big money that fling off our stage and known for muggling, that's why I'm calling himself Muggler or Mugella, which is Muggler. And them something there, and the bunch of antics with the red bottoms and the Louis Vuitton bag them and the this and that. Nobody really wouldn't pay attention to him because there are way more talented artists out there, honestly, musically, than FLIPPA was. So FLIPPA wasn't nobody where you would have said, oh, I'm get caught big time in a one drugs thing in America. So we're gonna say in the news, the dancehall, the reggae dancehall superstar. But you know, we lost budget the same way. Well, temporary loss still, and not really a loss still. And them a look for pin that pan dancehall and reggae. Anyway, then get a next chance to do it, and we can't say nothing because see ya. Alright. So here what I say, and this is directly from the government site in the United States of America. I'm gonna read it straight to you. From the state New Jersey where FLIPPA was convicted. FLIPPA 37 years old. Alright? So here what I'm gonna say now. This says a well-known Jamaican dancehall DJ who recorded under the name FLIPPA Mafia and FLIPPA Magella or Magla was found guilty today by Camden County juror of first degree. So for those of you who have a dispute and say, and the dummies that came on my channel and said, shut the fuck up and you're jealous, and jealous of what? In a house with them, me free. Me not in a prison. FLIPPA get found guilty now. Understand? So buy FLIPPA for a long friggin' time. Here what I'm gonna say. Was found guilty today by a Camden County juror of this first degree distribution of cocaine. I never even know that they have first degree, second degree and them thing. Them think of the murder alone of that. First degree money laundering and first degree conspiracy. The man get found guilty for all three charges, dog. So pay attention. The first degree charge carries a sentence of 10 to 20 years in state prison, while the second degree charges carry a sentence of 5 to 10 years. The jury verdict followed a 7-week trial, so 7 weeks FLIPPA up on trial for, right? Alright, the jury verdict followed a 7-week trial before Superior Court Judge John T. Kelly in Camden, New Jersey. The juror could not reach a unanimous verdict on the first degree charge of leading a narcotic trafficking network. So them they want pin the big drug boss kingpin upon FLIPPA and them couldn't do it. Okay? Him get over that one there. But he was found guilty of first-degree distribution of cocaine, second-degree money laundering, and second-degree conspiracy. So each one of the second-degree charges them carry 5 to 10 years, and him have 2 of those. So, and then the one first-degree charge him have carry 10 to 20 years. So you can have an idea of how much years I'm about to give him. All right. Them I say also here. Boy, the thing sticky. FLIPPA. Them not no red bottoms where I go. Bumbo. Boy, may I tell you. Figure the 30. Me no mind. To be in your 30s, right? Especially 37. You're almost 40. And then if they go lick you with 30 years in American prison. Master, when they done turn you upside down, left, right, and center in this blouse and skirt. 30 years in this, you're guaranteed to not be coming out the same. You know me, I say, pardon my language, but you're fucked up sideways and every which other way there is going to be. So, I feel a way for the man still. You know me, I say? And I don't think sentencing not go on yet. But them fling it out there already for you can start with the maths. Now, them still I say, Deputy Attorney General Julia S. Glass and Deputy Attorney General Eric Dabb, who is Deputy Bureau Chief. Alright, all of them titles here, Ray. They were multi-agency, in other words, of the New Jersey State Police, the Drug Enforcement or DEA, and the Division of Criminal Justice. In course of the investigation, the detectives discovered more than 26 kilograms of cocaine worth more than or almost $1 million US, 2 handguns, and more than $500,000 in cash. Hear me I say to you. A virgin of mine, when I do some police work, you hear what him say to me? Him say, them tell him say, one time them go up on them radio, you see? If them find a large stash, like say 20 kilo of coke, bust it in a half and take half. Because them are going to say they take half anyway. If them find a large stash of money, like $1 million, bust it in a half and turn in only half fight. Because them are going to speculate say they take half anyway. Well, this is what them turn in and this is what they are reporting. Hear what them say about FLIPPA though. This is why I know say them are going to lick him with the book. Hear what them say about him. And me I wish FLIPPA the best people. Me not no hater. So all the fucking idiot them on the my channel I come on SouFLoTV talk about me a hater. That man that come from the same place where me come from dog. You understand what I say? So I know say all of we can't make it in this world in the same way. Book and not for the whole of we. School and college and university is not for the whole of we. And then the whole of we can't afford it and then the whole of we come out of cushy circumstances we can go the route there. So I'm gonna figure look at which way I'm gonna figure look at. I'm not condoning this way of looking at it because you see what the outcome is. You understand? Me get mine through athletics and from athletics through education. And next man might get FEMA next way. Okay. This is what the detective them have said. It is unfortunate and disturbing that Andrew Davis, that a FLIPPA, chose to be part of a drug trafficking network responsible for distributing massive quantities of narcotics into New Jersey communities, instead of using his success as a musician for their betterment. This was Colonel Rick Fuentes, the superintendent of the New Jersey State Police, said that. I am proud of the state police detectives who led the cooperative investigation, and I commend all of the hard work and dedication of our partnering agencies, which resulted in the dismantling of the international narcotics network. The dismantling, here what I'm saying, watch this. The dismantling of this drug trafficking organization is a great success for law enforcement, and our communities are safer as a result of this investigation. So they're saying, us and our partners will continue to pursue drug violators wherever the investigation leads us. Then they go on to tell you about how Kamar Davis, the 25 25-year-old, which is Flippa's younger brother, used to ran the ring with his brother Andrew. So him and Andrew them I say run the ring, him and Flippa them I say run it to them. And him done plead guilty already. Alright? Long time. So under his plea agreement, Flippa younger brother, which is 25-year-old, will recommend that the state are gonna recommend that him get 20 years in a state prison with a 12-year period of parole eligibility. Another brother, which is the oldest brother, Roger Davis, 37, pled guilty as well of first-degree possession of cocaine with the intent to distribute, and the state will recommend that he gets 10 years with a 3-year of parole ineligibility. Alright. So, Flippa was the only one who never rolled over, he never plead guilty, he never take no plea deal. Okay? So, one of them brother, the younger one, plead guilty, take a plea deal and get 20 years. Recommended by the state. The next brother, take a plea deal and one get 10 and one get 20. What you think I'm gonna give Flippa and Flippa make the state spend a whole heap of money to fight him in a court for 7 weeks? I'm gonna tell you how these people get down. If you don't know how the justice system works here in the United States of America, my Jamaican audience, listen. They're gonna fuck him up when it comes time to sentence in here. May I tell you this? So, for those that want to pray, I want to say pray for Flippa. I'm going to say it right now, it don't look good. You hear me? It never look good for a morning, and I said that already, long time ago. So, now I want to see what it is. Yes, people, Flippa Mafia has been found guilty, and I saw the thing set, and they're going to do them thing now. Them charge the man for bulk distribution, them even them on here, them outline the whole case. Them say them follow Flippa and him brother go all Jamaica, you know. DEA agents follow the man go all Jamaica. And Andrew and Kemar traveled to Jamaica. So Flippa remained in Jamaica, but he continued to control activities. As some know them are going to slap him with something. What, you hear what I'm saying? Andrew and Kemar. Remember say Kemar get 20, you know? Andrew and Kemar traveled to Jamaica. Andrew remained in Jamaica, that's a Flippa, but continued to control, watch the words where them people are used, continue to control activities of the ring by directing Kemar and others. I'm reading this directly off of the government side. Alright? Directly. So Kemar returned to the US and oversaw the shipment of kilo quantities of cocaine. Cut a long story short, late in the night, I go to my bed, my wife go pick up my son from the basketball game. But we didn't have to do that 1 year because I owe it to SouFLoTV audience to do this, and I told you that as soon as it busts, I'm going to dip on it and I'm going to give you an update. So I'm going to edit that video here and then I'm going to post it to you. Alright? nj.gov, newjersey.gov, new releases 15. Go there, sir, and you will find it. Alright? I'm not going to read out the whole thing here to you, but I'm going to tell you, sir, it's a big sweep. Them follow Flippa, them go all Jamaica, and there are other people in Jamaica right now, but them other people were involved in this in Jamaica right now. Well, if I was them, I'd run go up in our country somewhere, go chill out for a long while, because trust me, them people that did there and them had by your trail. And here what them do. Them all have phone tap the conversation them and them say the man them are chatting at some pattern like this, you know. And here what they have. Them have other Jamaicans over here that's working with them, will sit down with them, informants, and translate everything in the conversation them. So the people them know exactly what they must say. Alright? So, them have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people get caught up in this. I'm going to tell you 6 of them and then we're going to end the vlog. Alright? Just know that Flippa Mafia was found guilty. I'm going to confirm it at SouFLoTV directly from a United States, New Jersey government site. Alright? JMC McBride, he was convicted and Angel R. Rivera, him was convicted. James M. Cortez, convicted. Sidoni McLeod, convicted. Rowan Rose, convicted. Hayoka Myrie, convicted. Boy, the Myrie name always a pop up in, man. You know, see how Bojo name Myrie, you know? You know, see how the Myrie name always a pop up all over the place. One more. Anyway, see there, I not say nothing about that again. Because I don't want them to start digging more for Bojo and I say, yeah, him have nothing to do with it. So, this is not no made up thing, this is an actual government site. And I'm going to show it to you one more time, check it. See it there? Shut off our computer. It says right there, so Department of Law and Public Safety. Office of the Attorney General. Alright, this is not no joke thing. I saw it go. See it there? I'm going to scroll down so you can see. I told you this. See FLIPPA there. In the on the side, the man has been found guilty. FLIPPA look rough in there. Like him not get no sleep, no matter torment him in there. Alright, people. So, with that said, you hear me, someone? Be wise in your doings, people. You hear me? No make no man hype you up. No hype up for nobody. Take your time and go on down your little road. Step by step by step. Build your house brick by brick by brick. Alright? We don't wish this for nobody. FLIPPA Mafia. God go with them, my brother. Alright? The SouFLoTV people, we're part of here. Peace.